What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, a couple days ago, we were driving this thing around, and, well, we blew a brake line on this thing. Right over here is the brake lines that blew out. Actually, it was this line right here that actually blew out, but since they're so close to each other and they both look equally bad, we'll just replace them both at the same time, save ourselves some work, and save ourselves from it breaking again, leaving us going on any brakes. But, made it home, so that's what matters. So now, went to the auto parts store, got a whole bunch of new lines, new parts, little fittings, a whole bunch of little stuff, and we're going to fix this ourselves. So now I just got to bend these lines, and yes, I got one extra because in case I mess up and crimp it, I'm going to go back to the auto parts store again, which is nice. I basically make one of these lines, two of these lines actually, the same bend and everything, the same shape as those lines. So let's do it. Let the time lapse commence now. Perfect! They're all done. So now they're all bent perfectly, or they should be bent good enough to be. I had to probably bend them a little bit when I put them in the car, but nothing too bad. So definitely beats these rusty things that rust just flakes off of. Nice brand new metal. So nice brand new ends and everything. So very happy here. So let's go install in the car, shall we? As you can see, the lines are all installed and it's ready to run. Thanks for watching the Excitement of Technology. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time.